Mm. Hiccups. Hello. Oh, I thought they were gone.
I thought she was falling asleep. She looks like they wake her up.
Yeah.
We should probably dim the lights for her.
Poor hiccupy baby.